Hello and welcome to another JJ's Food Review. And today we're at Carl's Jr. for dinner, and we will be having fries. And I must admit, I've never been to Carl's Jr. before to eat anything, so let's see. It's a big fry, so we're going to be sharing this one. I can't eat all those fries myself. And they gave us fry sauce. Now this is something I've heard about in the West. I don't think people know about it in the East, I'm not sure. But it's basically ketchup mixed with mustard. Ketchup mixed with mayonnaise. So first I'm going to try the fries by themselves. Well, the fries are good. I like how they have, you can see, they have like the skin still on part of them. They're seasoned just right, just the right amount of salt. They're not quite the shoestring type fries you get at McDonald's, but they're still really good. They're a little bit more like you might make at home. Except, yeah, I would say they're kind of like homemade. Now let's try the fry sauce. See how that goes. Well, that is literally mayonnaise mixed with ketchup. You could make it yourself. As far as I can tell, that's what it is. I don't think they added anything. So if you live somewhere where they don't give you fry sauce, just do that. Okay, so my thoughts on this place. This is my first time eating here. I was a little surprised how expensive everything is, so that's something to take into consideration. But as far as the taste goes, these fries are very good. They're like something you could make at home if you took the time. I would say flavor-wise, they're a 9 out of 10. I think that's what I'm going to give them. I'm going to give them a 9 out of 10. They are expensive. They cost more than fries at McDonald's, I believe. But it's worth it to try because they're good. The fry sauce is good, but like I said, it's ketchup with mayonnaise, so you could make that yourself. Well, this has been JJ, and I hope to see you again soon.